Dermatology is like a painting. If you think of it like the top layer of your skin is like paint, then you step down to the canvas, it's like the dermis, and then you have the supporting structures underneath, which are like the stretcher bars. And we have a comprehensive way now of dealing with each of these layers and improving them, so the ultimate result is presenting the skin to the public that you want to see. The impetus lately for people trying to improve their cosmetic appearance is to try and find ways to do this without any downtime. So what the ultherapy procedure does, it actually uses ultrasound. And if you imagine a magnifying glass, and if you could produce ultrasound, you could focus that beam any depth that you wanted to under the skin. And by this ability of being able to focus it in two different levels, you can create extreme tightening of the skin and the production of new collagen. So essentially, you get a mini facelift by the ability to do this without cutting, without invasive surgery. So for persons who are looking to remodel or resculpt or reshape their skin, we have two procedures we can offer at the Asarch Center: the ultherapy procedure and the Exelis procedure. The Exelis procedure has been sort of an innovative one because people often want to do two things. You would like to have tighter skin, but in certain areas of your body you have a lot of extra fat in your skin and you would like that to go away. And again, if one is looking for a non-invasive procedure, the Exelis procedure makes it so that the fat contents from the cell go out into your system and the body gets rid of them. So they actually turn like from grapes into raisins. At the same time it does that, it actually causes your skin to tighten, so that when you're in an area where you're losing volume because the fat's decreasing, you don't want to necessarily have extra skin, so it's nice if you can tighten it at the same time. There's a specialized treatment for skin cancer that I had learned from Dr. Frederick Mohs, who initiated this treatment. And I was privileged to bring this procedure to Colorado back in 1977. The Mohs procedure has the highest cure rate for removing and curing skin cancer. But at the same time, it does this in a way that preserves as much normal skin as possible. So it's extremely important when a person has a skin cancer, especially present on the face in cosmetically important areas, that this procedure be performed, which ultimately makes the repair of this defect a lot easier and simpler and cosmetically more pleasing. So one of the most common skin conditions is acne. There is a way now that we have that can treat this condition and minimize the necessity of using long-term antibiotics and other topical agents. That procedure is called a Clara, which combines a cleaning or suctioning device along with an intense light process that actually destroys the bacteria. At the Asarch Center, we truly care for our patients and want to help you maintain the health of your skin.